Hi everyone, Aaron here for Zollotech, and I wanted to show you how to unlock the HTC One M9. This is the AT&T version with gold and silver, and you can see there's the AT&T logo, and it's actually locked to AT&T, so that means you can only use an AT&T SIM card with it. But if you want to travel around the world and use it on any GSM carrier, you'll actually need to unlock this. So in order to do that, we need to go to our dialer. Now I've taken the AT&T SIM card out of this because we don't want to use that. And what you want to do is get a SIM card that's not AT&T or one that you actually want to use it with. The first thing we need to do is get the IMEI number in order to unlock it. So you want to go to your phone dialer here and dial *#06#. That will pop up the IMEI number. Now what we need to do is take this number, go to a website to unlock it, and I've been using the unlockingcompany.com. So let's take a look at that. I'm at the unlockingcompany.com, and now what we need to do is select our phone manufacturer. And we just click here and we'll find HTC. Once we've got HTC, we need to find the HTC One M9. So we'll scroll down here. There we go, the HTC One M9 unlock code. And then we want to click on Get Unlocking Code. Once we're at this screen, what we need to do is select the country we purchased it from. In this case, it's the United States. Then we select the carrier. In this case, it's AT&T. And then we need to put in the IMEI number that we got in the previous step. Once you have your IMEI number in place, you can see the price actually varies depending on your location and the carrier it's assigned to, but delivery time says 1 to 60 minutes. Mine took less than 24 hours, so it was pretty quick, and the price is pretty reasonable depending where you're located. Go ahead and click on Get Unlocking Code. All you need to do now is simply pay, and once you've paid, you can actually get your code via email. They'll email you once it's ready. And you can see here I've actually ordered 2 by mistake, but we want to order whatever amount we need, and we only need 1, obviously. So we'll go ahead and pay, and then when we get the email from them with their unlocking code, we can use that to unlock the phone. Once you receive your unlock code from the unlockingcompany.com, what you'll need to do is shut your phone down. Now I've powered this phone down, and then what we need to do is eject the SIM card slot so that we can place our SIM card. Now I was going to use a particular SIM card, but I found out it was the wrong size. This one's actually a nano SIM, so I've got a T-Mobile SIM card we'll use here. And we put it in place, like so. Go ahead and click it in place. And then what we want to do is boot up the phone. Once the phone boots up, it will actually tell us that the SIM card is not meant for this carrier, and it will ask us to actually enter the PIN for it. So we'll give it just a moment here and wait for it to boot up. The phone is booted up, and you can see it says network locked. So we'll unlock like this, and it says SIM network unlock pin. So it wants us to enter an unlock pin if we have it. And in this case we do. We got it from the unlocking company. So I'll go ahead and enter it. Now you can see I put the wrong digit in here. Be very careful what you put in here. You usually only have about 10 tries, and then it will permanently lock. So let's go ahead and unlock this. The code is in that the unlocking company sent me. I'll hit OK. It says successfully unlocked from network, rebooting. So we successfully unlocked it. It's permanently unlocked and will work on any GSM carrier worldwide. So this will take just a moment to boot up, and we'll see that it'll actually work on T-Mobile's network. It's just about booted up. We'll wait for it here just a moment. And we'll unlock it. Now you see we don't get that unlock message again for the network. It'll take just a moment. And there we go. We've got some bars. Now it took just a moment. It switched over to T-Mobile, and you can see here it says T-Mobile. Now to get internet, you may have to put in some APN settings. You can see mobile networks, mobile data. Let's go back. Access point names. and APNs are not available for this user. So we may have to add an APN for T-Mobile so that we can actually use the internet on it. Now that it's on T-Mobile, you can see it's switched and it's working on an AT&T phone that it was originally locked to. So now it's unlocked permanently. It won't relock, anything like that, and you can use it on any GSM carrier worldwide. So if you have any other questions or comments, let me know in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. As always, thanks for watching. This is Aaron. I'll see you next time.